Question 1 brought to you by Skipper Class. And the question reads like this. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, 2x squared minus 10, x plus 6 equals to 0. Find a, 1 over alpha, square plus beta square, b. Obtain an equation whose roots are alpha square and beta square. Solution. The first thing is to write the quadratic equation given in the question, that is 2x squared minus 10, x plus 6 equals to 0. The next is to find a, b, c, which are the coefficient constants of the x variable. Where a is the number attached to x squared, so a is 2, and b is the number attached to x, so b is negative 10, and c is the number without x, so c is 7. Finding the sum and product from the relationship of the coefficient of the equation and the roots of the equation. So the sum alpha plus beta equal to 5, and the product alpha beta equal to 3. So having the sum to be 5 and product to be 3. Let's solve question 1a. Question 1a is 1 over alpha square plus beta square. We have to understand from our lesson classes that alpha square plus beta square is a symmetric function. And symmetric functions must be expanded in sum and product format before we solve them. So alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta. Substituting 5 for alpha plus beta and 3 for alpha beta simplify, and you get 1 over 19 as your answer for 1 over alpha square plus beta square. Solving for question 1b, the new equation when the roots are alpha square and beta square. Clearing indicating that the roots for the new equation is different from the one giving in the question, which is alpha and beta. Since we have a new roots, we are to find the new sum and new product using the new roots. Firstly, the sum of the new roots is alpha square plus beta square, which is symmetric and therefore will be written as alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta, giving us 19 for the sum. And the product is alpha square times beta square, giving us alpha beta all squared, which gives us 9 as the product. Secondly, to find the new equation, the formula x squared minus the sum of the new roots, x plus the product of the new roots equal to 0. Substituting 19 for sum and 9 for product. Therefore, the new equation whose roots are alpha square and beta square is x squared minus 19 x plus 9 equal to 0. Like and comment for more.